English conversation about travel. I went to Hawaii on vacation.
Did you like it?
I loved it. I want to live there.
What did you like?
The island is so green and the water is so blue.
Did you go swimming?
I went to the beach every day.
How was the weather?
It was hot and sunny every day.
What did you do at night?
At night, I went out to eat. The food was delicious.
People who live in Hawaii are lucky.
I like this hotel.
What do you like about it?
We get a free breakfast.
Coffee and a roll.
No, a real breakfast.
Bacon and eggs.
With toast, ham, sausage, fresh fruit, and juice.
Wow, that is nice. Let's stay for 2 nights.
And the rooms are clean, too.
Do they allow pets?
No pets, no smoking.
I like that. Let's stay 3 nights.
I'm not sleeping here tonight.
What's the matter? This is a nice room.
Maybe the room is nice, but not the bed.
What's wrong with the bed?
Look at this sheet.
Yes.
See those stains?
I sure do.
I'm not sleeping on that sheet.
Well, just call the front desk. They'll give us new sheets.
I want sheets without stains on them.
From now on, let's bring our own sheets.
What time does your plane leave?
It leaves at 12:15.
When do you have to be at the airport?
I have to be there 2 hours early.
So we have to be at the airport at 10:15.
That means we have to leave the house at 9:15.
Well, it's an hour to get there if there are no traffic problems.
So, maybe we better leave at 8:15.
Yes, it's better to get there too early than too late.
I agree.
You never know what might happen on these freeways.
There's at least one huge accident every day.
I need to fly to New York.
When are you going?
During the Christmas holidays.
You'd better buy your ticket now.
You must be kidding.
No, I'm not. It's March. Time is running out. Seats are selling out right now.
I thought I would wait until October.
I'll bet this is the first time you've ever flown during Christmas.
You are right.
Well, listen to me. You need to buy a ticket, now.
But maybe prices will be cheaper in October.
Cheaper prices won't do you any good if there are no seats.
I hate flying.
So do I.
A long time ago, flying used to be okay.
Now it's like riding a bus.
You're jammed in with people all around you.
Half of them are coughing, and the other half are sneezing.
You don't have any elbow room or knee room.
People are always getting up to use the bathroom.
Kids are crying or climbing over you.
It's a flying zoo.
I wish I could afford first-class seats.
Doesn't everybody?
Some guy rode across the Atlantic Ocean.
Good for him.
Why would he do that?
Did he set a new record?
Yes, I think he did.
Well, I guess that's why he did it.
What's the point?
Now he has the world record.
But someone's going to break it, so what good is it?
Well, he can enjoy it while it lasts.
I don't think he even got paid for it.
Some people do it just to do it.
I want to go on a cruise ship.l.
That sounds like fun. Where do you want to go?
I want to cruise to Hawaii.
That should be a nice trip. Lots of fun and lots of food.
I have no idea how much it will cost.
I think it depends on the season and on your cabin.
Well, of course I want to go when the weather is nice.
Yes, you don't want to travel in winter storms.
And I want to get a big cabin with a view.
Are you going to travel alone?
No, my sister and I will travel together.
Well, you should go online and try to find a good deal.
I hate to fly.
Because of all the security.
No, because it hurts my ears.
What do you mean?
Every time we land or take off, my ears hurt so much.
That's just the altitude change, I think.
Whatever it is, it hurts.
Can't you take medicine or something for it?
I've tried everything, but nothing works.
Have you tried earplugs?
They don't work either.
Well, be glad you are not a pilot.
Spring break starts tomorrow.
Are you going to go anywhere?
I was thinking of driving to Arizona.
To the Grand Canyon.
Yes, I have never been there.
I was there when I was a kid.
How did you like it?
I loved it. I still Remember how amazing it was